What's going on YouTube? Now I know some of you guys want to see some more footage of my car playing some bass with the Xion 15s. Now I've noticed a few of you guys live in the area. I see on my videos you comment, oh Blue Water car park, I know where that is. So what I'm thinking of doing is making up a little Facebook account called like Barevids Audio, and I'll post up some days that I'm going down to Blue Water car parks to do a bit of filming, and feel free to turn up. I'll put up on a Thursday, I'll be like, yeah, this Saturday I'm going down, and a few of you can just come and hit my system, I'll give you a few demos, maybe feature them on my videos. But yeah, I'm just going to give you some more footage today. I'm going to go set up some car alarms downstairs, so let's get going. Right, let's just start with a few in here. Film behind. Sick.
Creeds, they surrender. Smoke a wide cleft kush now.
Not sure if you noticed there, but I just got fucking knocked on and sweared the fuck out. He was like, oh fucking, if you set my car alarm off, I know where you live, I know Fresh UK, I got Xion on Facebook. So yeah, shit, here's a tip, don't hang around.
This song, is it still on iTunes?
Yeah, still on iTunes.
Yeah, it's probably a bit.
Short clips as well. This takes like 2 seconds.